But the truth is that think about life. Think about the creation of life. When a baby is born, look for a moment and understand that that baby is 100% dependent on the mother. My responsibility and your responsibility as a man is to provide. Provide financially, provide spiritually, provide emotionally, provide energetically, provide physically. The safety and the space for your woman to be. And this is why society today doesn't want men providing. This is why society today wants women to be the providers, because it knows that the more disconnected the woman is from the child, the more disconnected that child is from themselves, and the more easily that child, and as a result, all of humanity, can be controlled and manipulated. Because the only being that can be controlled and manipulated is the human being that lives in disconnection and the fear of the mind. Because the only being that can be controlled and manipulated is the human being that lives in disconnection and the fear of the mind.